Hello my dear friends, welcome to your own channel Fundamentals of Engineering. Today we are going to see how to find out the cube root of any number. So in the exam, in the aptitude or technical or non-technical exams, you will see the cube root of such a big number, and there in that type of exam you are not allowed to use calculator. So how to find out the correct answer? So there, by using the Vedic math, we are going to see one shortcut trick. There you will get your answers within 2 seconds. So my dear friends, no use of calculator. Without any use of calculator, within 2 seconds you will find your answer. And for that you have to use or see the simple steps that we are following in this lecture. For that you need to watch the full video. With respect to this video, we already made to find out the cube, square and square root of any number. The link is available in I section, you can check it, or the link is available in description box, you can check that. So without any calculator we are going to find out the cube root. So interesting that we are going to use some simple step. For that there are some important points to remember. What are the important points? Just like we have seen in the square root, if question unit digit number is lying in between these numbers, then answer unit digit numbers will be these numbers. So what these numbers? Suppose for finding out the cube root, if question unit digit number is 1, then our answer unit digit number will be 1. So how is that? You can see 1 cube 1, 11 cube 1 3 3 1. So 1 as the question unit digit number, the cube root will be 1 at the answer unit digit number. If 4 is there, you will get 4. You can check it. 4 cube 64. So 14 cube 2744. So you can see the 4 at the unit digit. 5. So 5 cube 125. You can see here. 6 cube 216. So 6 will be there at the unit digit. 9 is there. Then you will be getting 9 at the unit digit number. So you can see 9 cube 729. So 1 4 5 6 9. If they are in the questions unit digit number, you will answer digit number will be same, 1 4 5 6 9. If you are getting 2 at the questions unit digit number, then your answer digit number will be 8. How? You can see here 2 cube 8, 12 cube 1728. And if 8 is there at the question unit digit number, your answer digit number will be 2. Now you can check it. 8 cube 512, then 18 cube 5832. So if 2 is there, you will get answer unit digit number 8, and 8, if 8 is there at the question unit digit number, you will get 2. Same for the 3. If 3 is there, you will get answer unit digit number 7. So you can see here 3 cube 27, 13 cube 2197. And if 7 is there, you will get 3 at the answer digit. So you can see here 7 cube 343, 17 cube 4913. So for 2 and 3, if 2 is there 8, and if 8 is there 2. If 3 is there, you will get 7, and if 7 is there at the unit digit, answer digit will be 3. So you have to remember this point to find out the cube root. Now we'll see within 2 steps how we'll get to find out the cube root. So now I have written all the cubes from 1 to 10 at this side and 11 to 20 at this side. So this cube you need to by heart to find out the answer. So now we'll see how to get the cube root of this number. So we are having question unit digit number is 1. So we have seen the last table, answer digit number will be 1. Now don't consider these 3 numbers. You can put your hand at these 3 numbers. So remaining numbers are 29. So before this 29, which is the perfect cube number, which giving the perfect cube number, that we need to find out. So from this table you can see 27 is the perfect cube of which number 3. So that is the second step. So first step, unit digit number you have to write down, then you have to close, or you have to don't see these last 3 numbers, then you have to see the next numbers and which number is near to this or earlier cube root, perfect cube root, that we need to find out. So 27 is the earlier cube root of this 29. So this will be our answer, 31. So cube root of 29791 is 31. Next, if 2 is there, as we have seen, you will get 8. Now don't consider these 3 numbers. Next number 195. Before this 195, which is the perfect cube? We are getting 125, which is a cube of 5. So 58. So now friends, within 2 seconds we are finding the answer. So for that you have to remember these cubes 1 to 20. So if 3 is there, question number, unit digit number 3 is there, answer unit digit number will be 7. Don't consider these 3 numbers. Next 3 numbers, 912. Before that, which one is the perfect cube? So you can see 1000 is the higher than 912. So earlier 729. So which is the cube of 9? So 97. So step 1, step 2. Step 1 we have to find out which is the unit digit number. Based on that we have to write down the unit digit number, and next perfect cube number which is near to that number we need to find out. Next 4 is there. So our 4 at the question unit digit number, our answer digit unit digit number will be 4. So don't consider these 3 number. Next 1481, which is near to that earlier perfect cube 1331, which is near. So which is a cube of 11. First step and second step, understand this step. We are not using any calculator. We are finding out the answers within 2 seconds. So if 5 is there, answer digit number will be 5. So don't consider these 3 number. Next 1953. Before that, which one is the perfect cube? 1953. Which is the perfect cube? See here my dear friends, 1728. So as 2197 is higher, so we have to see earlier perfect cube number 1728, which is a cube of 12. So 125. That cube root of this 1953 125 is 125. Then if 6 is there, our answer digit number will be 6. Then consider these numbers 2513. Earlier perfect cube, you can see here 2197. So 136 is the cube root of this number. Hope you are liking this video and the steps whatever we are following. You can use these steps to solve any number. If you like it, subscribe our channel, click on bell icon to get more notifications. Next, that number 7, if 7 is there, what we are getting? 3 at the answer digit number. So we are not considering these 3 number. Next numbers 1092, which near of, you can see here 1000, earlier perfect cube number of 1000, which is a cube of 10. So 103. If 8 is there, we are getting 2. If question unit digit number is 8, our answer digit number will be 2. If question unit digit number is 2, our answer digit number is 8. We have seen the example. So don't consider these 3 numbers. Next number 2863, which near of what perfect cube? 2744 is the perfect cube of 14, which is near to this number 2863. So if 9 is there, no doubt we will get 9. You can see here, if 9 is there, 7 to 9. So don't consider these 3 number. Next number 4019, which is near to which perfect cube number? 3375. So which is a cube of 159. So my dear friends, we have seen the simple step 1 and step 2. Based on that, we are without any calculator, we are finding out the cube root. Hope you like this video. If you like it, stay connected and don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can follow us on different social media. Like it, share it and comment it. Thank you very much.